This is video number 3 about the operation of the Smart Park Standpipe controller, focusing on customer management. The first part of customer management is the loading of access cards. Customer management provides the information required for the council to add in new cards or new customers or modify them. One of the important things to know is before any cards can be given out to end users, they need to be entered into the control system first. So let's go to add new cards. As you can see here, there are two ways of entering the card details. Either manually, by which way you can type in the numbers there, or you can bring all the numbers together into an Excel spreadsheet and import it. To give you an idea how this works, we type in the numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3. We add the card in. Now that card has been entered into the system successfully. You cannot duplicate cards, and it will come up with an error here and say card is already in the system, you can no longer add that one. So once we've entered the cards, you now want to bring the card into a particular customer. Now here we've got a number of customers already identified, and we want to add another card. We'll assign the new card, and here you then have a list of all the cards that are available to allocate. So let's say we select this one. You can then select whether it be prepaid or postpaid and the maximum amount of credit that you want to put onto that card. That card can then be given access to a limited number of standpipes. If you want to have them all, make them all enabled. If you want to restrict to just standpipe demo number 2, you can assign that. And now if we go back to the cards again, you will see that this particular card is only able to use on standpipe number 2, not on standpipe number 1. There is a possibility to change from prepaid to postpaid purely by pressing the migrate button. This button will say migrate to prepaid if the card is already in a postpaid situation. Go back to customer management. The second part is how to enter customer data. Add new customers. Press this button here. The details of the customer need to be entered here, as well as billing address. The only difference between company and individual is there's an extra 3 lines that can be populated. Apart from providing the access cards, you can also see the history of the usage. What date, what time, which card was used, what operation it was, whether it is using the card to take water or whether it's providing additional credit, and it will then say credit. To get the details, view it over here, and that gives you all the information about that particular event of taking water. This completes part 3, customer management.